The allure is undeniable. The scent of handcrafted leather, the whisper-quiet cabin, the surge of effortless power beneath your right foot. This is the promise of luxury. But for every dream of a perfect drive, there's a silent fear. A fear of warning lights, unexpected breakdowns, and repair bills that look more like a down payment. What if you could have the masterpiece without the maintenance nightmare? Today, we explore the immortals, the 5 luxury cars engineered not just to impress, but to endure. Welcome back to LuxTorque, your guide to the world of high-end automotive excellence. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for any savvy buyer: reliability. We've scoured the data, listened to owner feedback, and analyzed engineering philosophies to bring you a definitive list. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have a vehicle that embodies the very concept of serene dependability. When Toyota decided to build a luxury car to challenge the German titans, they knew they couldn't just match them. They had to surpass them in one key area: quality. That philosophy gave birth to Lexus, and its flagship sedan, the LS, has been the benchmark for reliability ever since. The Lexus LS 500 isn't just a car, it's a moving sanctuary. The philosophy behind its construction is Kaizen, the Japanese principle of continuous improvement. This isn't just a marketing slogan, it's a deeply ingrained culture. Every component, from the engine block to the smallest switch on the dashboard, is scrutinized and refined to near perfection. Inside, you're enveloped in a world crafted by Takumi masters, artisans who have dedicated decades to honing their skills. The stitching is perfect. The wood grain is flawless. It feels less like it was built on an assembly line and more like it was commissioned. But true luxury is peace of mind, and that comes from what's under the hood. The LS 500 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6. While some purists missed the old V8, this modern engine is a marvel of engineering. It delivers a robust 416 horsepower with silky smooth precision. More importantly, it's built to last. Toyota and Lexus have poured millions of miles of testing into this powertrain to ensure it's free of the quirks and issues that can plague other complex, high-performance engines. The transmission, the suspension, the electronics, every system is designed with longevity as a primary goal. This is why you see older Lexus LS models on the road with hundreds of thousands of miles, still running as quietly as the day they left the showroom. The LS 500 proves that you can have cutting-edge technology and handcrafted luxury without gambling on reliability. It is quite simply the benchmark of serenity. From the pinnacle of Japanese comfort, we shift gears to a legend of German performance. Our number 4 pick might surprise you because it's a car most people associate with the racetrack, not reliability. A supercar on a reliability list? Absolutely. The Porsche 911 isn't just an icon. It's arguably one of the most robustly engineered sports cars ever made. Porsche's reputation wasn't built on fragile, temperamental machines. It was forged in the fires of endurance racing, like the 24 Hours of Le Mans, where failure is not an option. That motorsport DNA is infused into every road-going 911. The core philosophy is one of over-engineering. Components are designed to withstand stresses far beyond what they'll ever experience on a public road. Take the legendary Flat 6 engine. Its design provides a naturally low center of gravity, which is great for handling, but it's also inherently well-balanced, reducing vibration and stress on internal components. Porsche has spent over 60 years refining this engine, ironing out every potential weakness. The result is a high-performance power plant that is famously durable. The PDK dual-clutch transmission is another masterpiece. It delivers lightning-fast shifts on the track, but it's also incredibly strong and has proven to be one of the most reliable performance transmissions in the industry. But it's not just the powertrain. The build quality of a 911 is exceptional. The chassis is rigid, the materials are top tier, and the fit and finish are second to none. This is a car you can drive to the office every day, take on a cross-country road trip, and then push to its limits on a track day, all without missing a beat. The Porsche 911 is proof that high performance and everyday usability are not mutually exclusive. It's a precision instrument built to be used and enjoyed for decades, making it a surprisingly rational choice for a luxury car you can truly count on. Our first two picks are established legends, but our number 3 choice is the new guard, a challenger that has built its entire brand on offering world-class luxury backed by an unwavering commitment to quality. If you want to take on Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi, you need more than just a beautiful design and a long list of features. You need to build trust, and that's exactly what Genesis has done. As the luxury division of Hyundai, Genesis benefits from a massive investment in quality control and a corporate culture obsessed with reliability. The Genesis G80 is the stunning result of that obsession. From the moment you see it, the car exudes confidence. The design is bold and original, and it turns heads for all the right reasons. But the real story is what you feel. The interior of the G80 is a masterclass in design and material quality. It rivals, and in some cases surpasses, its German competitors. Everything you touch feels substantial and expensive. There are no creaks or rattles. The cabin is an incredibly quiet and comfortable place to be. Genesis backs this quality with one of the best warranties in the entire automotive industry, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. A manufacturer doesn't offer that kind of coverage unless they are absolutely certain their cars are built to last. Whether you choose the standard 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder or the potent 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, you're getting a powertrain that has been rigorously tested across Hyundai and Genesis's global lineup. They prioritize smooth power delivery and long-term durability over chasing the highest possible horsepower numbers. The Genesis G80 is the smart choice in the luxury sedan segment. It offers breathtaking style, cutting-edge technology, and a truly premium experience, all with the reassuring foundation of industry-leading reliability. It is the new standard for dependable opulence. Luxury isn't just about solo drives in a sleek sedan or sports car. For many, luxury means safety, space, and versatility for the entire family. And our number 2 pick delivers all of that with a legendary reputation for dependability. Acura is to Honda what Lexus is to Toyota. The premium division built on a foundation of brilliant engineering and rock-solid reliability. The MDX has been a bestseller for years, and for good reason. It's the 3-row SUV that gives families everything they need, wrapped in a package of sophisticated luxury. The core of the MDX's appeal is its do-it-all competence. It's comfortable, quiet, and packed with thoughtful features. But its true superpower is the peace of mind it offers. Under the hood lies Honda's venerable 3.5-liter V6 engine. This is one of the most celebrated engines of the modern era, known for its smooth power, satisfying sound, and near-bulletproof reliability. It's an engine that, with basic maintenance, can easily last for well over 200,000 miles. Acura also pairs this engine with its advanced, super-handling, all-wheel drive system, or SHAWD. This isn't just a safety feature for snow and rain. It actively improves handling and performance on dry roads by sending power to the outside rear wheel in a turn. It's a complex system, but like everything else from the brand, it's been engineered for durability. The build quality is exactly what you'd expect from Honda's luxury arm. The panels line up perfectly, the interior materials are high quality and built to withstand the rigors of family life, and the electronics are intuitive and reliable. The Acura MDX is the ultimate stealth wealth vehicle. It doesn't shout about its capabilities, it simply delivers. It's the safe, smart, and incredibly dependable choice for those who need luxury that works for their real lives. It's a fortress of comfort and reliability for the modern family. We've had Japanese serenity, German performance, Korean innovation, and American-made practicality. But our #1 spot goes to a brand that has made its name synonymous with one word above all others: safety. And today, that brand is proving that safety, minimalist design, and forward-thinking reliability can create the ultimate luxury package. Volvo has undergone a remarkable transformation. While its legendary commitment to safety remains, it has re-emerged as a leader in design and sustainable luxury. The S90 sedan is the flagship of this new era, and the Recharge plug-in hybrid model is its most intelligent form. Why does a complex plug-in hybrid top our list? Because Volvo didn't rush into electrification. They approached it with the same methodical, safety-obsessed mindset they apply to everything else. The S90 Recharge combines a turbocharged and supercharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor. This sounds complicated, but Volvo has engineered the system for seamless integration and long-term durability. The true luxury of the S90 is the sense of calm it provides. The interior is a masterclass in Scandinavian minimalism. It's uncluttered, beautiful, and crafted from sustainable, high-quality materials. Driving the S90, especially in pure electric mode, is a uniquely tranquil experience. Volvo's reputation for build quality is on full display here. These cars feel incredibly solid, like they've been carved from a single block of Swedish steel. This structural integrity not only makes them safer in a crash, but also contributes to their long-term durability by reducing flex and wear on components. Furthermore, Volvo consistently earns top marks in reliability surveys, often outperforming its more complex German rivals. Owners report fewer problems with electronics and powertrains, a testament to Volvo's focus on getting things right. The Volvo S90 Recharge is the future of reliable luxury. It's safe, it's efficient, it's beautiful, and it's built to last. It offers a premium experience without the drama, providing a sanctuary from the noise of the outside world and the worries of the service center. It is the intelligent choice and our #1 most reliable luxury car. So there you have it. The Lexus LS 500, the Porsche 911, the Genesis G80, the Acura MDX, and the Volvo S90 Recharge. 5 incredible machines from 5 different brands, all united by a common principle. That true luxury isn't just about how a car makes you feel on the first day, but how it makes you feel every day for years to come. It's the confidence that when you press that start button, your journey will be defined by pleasure, not problems. Which of these cars would you choose? Are there any other reliable luxury legends you think should have made the list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of dependable luxury, Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to LuxTorque, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, drive with confidence.